go. This was the best start so far. Hi there everyone. Today we are driving a 2011 Infiniti FX50S. Let's fire up this beast. This is actually a Canadian spec. It's got 143,000 miles. Let's go take a look outside and take her for a quick drive. This is seriously one gorgeous car. I'd say one of my favorite cars ever. This is the 5.0 liter V8 super rare, 390 horsepower. We had a FX35 back in the day when I was growing up. It was a 2011 as well, but not the 50. But the 50 is really where it's at. It sounds amazing. It drives like a sports car. Let's check out the headlights. Oh, I love this car. It's so beautiful. So many memories. Let's check out the rear seat. We got soft touch materials everywhere. Beautiful wood, automatic rear window. And let's take a look at the rear seat. How nice is that? It's also incline adjustable. Over the years, as you can see, all the materials have kept up beautifully. And sitting here is super comfy. We also have a entertainment system in the back, a large armrest with cup holders. Now it is missing one headrest, oh well, but that's okay. All the lights work, and seriously, this cabin was so ahead for its day and age. It's so far ahead from its time. Let's check out the trunk and then the engine and go drive her. This one doesn't seem to have the power liftgate. Decently sized trunk. I don't know why people are complaining, or back in the day they would complain that this is small. You can fit in a decent amount of stuff, fold the seats, and you got a really proper trunk. We never had any issues with the storage in this car. It always worked great. Unfortunately, another thing with these FXs is the side bolsters always do wear out over time. I mean, every FX that I've seen of this age have this same issue, so it's not something that is uncommon. But let's check out the motor. I do love the black polished wheels here, definitely aftermarket, but it looks amazing. It looks like a stormtrooper. And of course the V8. We got our stickers over there. Everything is super organized, very compact. I like it, amazing. But let's go take a look inside and go drive. So here we are greeted to very comfy front seats, high quality materials, Bose audio. We even have a 360 parking camera, and this came out in 2009. Can you imagine? 2009. That's not a bad range actually. Info, fuel economy, 15 miles to the gallon. That's actually not bad for an FX50S. We got ventilated and heated seats. We got a sport suspension, auto, and this is sport. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna try all of it out. Glove box, some more storage, light advisor. There's also, I think, is this an extension? No, it's just 4 papers. All the lights work. Sunroof. All right, well, let's go take her for a spin, shall we? Let's do wiper test, horn test. All right, let's go. I like the steering feel here. It's like super tight, sporty. And I like how they made the blue line here just so you can mount your radar detector. How perfect. I'll try to keep my emotions in balance because I will probably be really tempted with all the excitement, but I do want you to listen to this engine. nicely over bumps. Oh, I love this. There's excellent torque from this V8. Now sport mode really awakens the car. Keeps the RPMs much higher.
In half a mile, at the traffic circle, take the first exit onto State Route 644.
Also like Infiniti's large paddle shifters here. Very classy. But I think my favorite part has just got to be the cabin and this hood. It's so cozy in here.
At the light, turn right onto US 522 South.
Plenty of torque, very powerful. I don't know why there's some wind noise coming through here, some kind of gap, but
turn left onto State Route 644.
It's pretty noticeable. Sport on the suspension, see how that feels. I love the sound of this engine. Impressive. Very impressive performance. 3, 2, 1. .75. Alrighty. Excellent. So 0 to 60 in 5.76. 0 to 62 in 6.08. 40 to 80 in 5.94, excellent time, and then the 1/8 mile at 9.01 and 79.47. Not bad, not bad. But let's keep driving. I definitely hope the road becomes a little more straight down here. let's do one more run. All right, let's come out here. All right, reset it, 3, 2, 1. .83. Alrighty. Not bad. Not bad at all. Again, 0 to 60 in 5.79 valid, 0 to 62 in 6.11, 40 to 85.98, and 1/8 mile in 9.01 at 79.28. Let's turn around, probably do one more time, and we will wrap up the performance portion of this test drive. All right, let's do one more run right here. Let's come to a full stop. All right, let's reset the draggy. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. This was the best start so far. 5.59. Alrighty. Excellent. Excellent. So 0 to 60 in 5.54. That is the best time that I have achieved today. 5.54, 0 to 62 in 5.83. 40 to 85.94. This has not changed so far. And 1/8 mile, 8.89 at 79.49. So I don't think there's any other point in doing it. It's the same numbers over and over again. But this wraps up our performance section of the test drive. Also at speed, I gotta say, it rides very nicely. I do feel the road more. It is stiffer than the 35 on 18-inch wheels, obviously. It's sportier, but it's still a great ride. Like, I'd happily drive this car for many hours. Such a torquey powertrain. Now the bumps, you can definitely feel the bigger ones. Well, to summarize this test drive, I have really enjoyed driving the FX. What a beast of a car, seriously. It rides amazingly for being such a sporty, capable machine. And the hood, just the cabin, the seats, perfection. They should have kept making this car, and I swear if it was made today, it would absolutely knock it out of the park. Just put some Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, blind spot, and you're good to go any day of the week. Oh man, this is perfection. I love this. But let me know what you thought about this test drive down below in the comments. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And of course, till next time.